Hello all of you, how are you all? I hope all are you doing good. So I'm here with a new and cool topic. I know you guys know about the topic of the day after reading the title. So if you didn't subscribe yet, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. So let's start the tutorial of the day. The topic of the day is how to create an app with your mobile phone with free of cost. So let me show you first what I have created my app. You can see over there my first app what I have created with free of cost. I didn't pay even 1 rupee. So I will show you step by step. Don't skip, don't forward the video. Just watch till the end. So first step, you all have to go on the Play Store and just search for the build building app, and here app builder. Click on the app builder and install it. After installation, click on the open, and this window will come on your screen after the installation. And here sign in and the get started, two options we have. Just click on the get started and sign in with your social, or you can simply sign in with your email id. Just I'm going to sign in with my social email. Just click on that email, and now you're done. Now you have option start now. Just click on the start now. And now you just have to simply chat with the Snappy. Just now what it is asking, simply let's create an app for you. Please provide your business or app name by texting or saying. Now you can type your app name, first my first app. Just send it. It will reply you back. Great name. Please provide your app category by tapping on the option below. It give you some option to provide the category of your app. Now you can choose more categories. Just click on the more categories and it will provide you more categories for your app. Just click on your app category. I'm just simply clicking on the business category. Now it reply you back. Get great choice. Please provide your app features by tapping on the option below. Select the feature. Now it give you some features for your app. Now you can see the more feature. You can add the more feature to your app. You can see over here. Just click the features for your app. I'm just simply clicking with the contacts and the map, Twitter, videos, blog. You can just add what you want to add in your app. What type of features? Just simply click on it and click on the share your app. Okay, just click on the next button. Now it will reply you back. Okay, great. Please provide your app design style by tapping on the option below. Now it give you three option: matrix, slide out, and the bottom. I'm just simply clicking on the matrix design style, and it will reply you back. Please choose below option. For gallery image, we recommended size within 5 MB. I choose the API icon. It asking for the API icon. I just simply click on the API icon, and it reply you back. Great choice. Here is the API icon. Now it will provide you some API icon to choose. So simply you can choose any API icon according to uh, your what you have choose a business or category. Sorry, according to your category. So here please choose app background. Now it asking for the app background. Just click on the gallery, and now it allow and choose any background. Simply I'm choosing a coding background. Okay, cool. It's reply you back. Cool. App is plus and background uploaded from gallery. It already uploaded in your app, so thank you. Okay, now you all done. Okay, now just click on the start building. Just click on the start building, and it will take around 3 to 5 minutes. Just I will pause the video. So here we go. We have created our dashboard. So you will get the notification. Yeah, your app is built and ready to test. So you will get an email from AppyPie. Just click on just check out the email, and you just the final step, you have to install that app in your phone. Install the test app on your phone. Just click on that. Just click a browser. Okay, it's running. Now the step 1, just click on the step 1. If your download does not start, it will download. Yes, it starts downloading. APK version is start downloading the APK version. Just you have to install in this your phone. Okay, download complete. Just click on the tab and just install it. If it's asking for the unknown sources, then just enable the unknown sources. I've already enabled. Installing. Okay, here we go. Now come to the home screen and you can see your app. Just search it. Here you can see my first app. Just you can open it. You can see your background and now your features, what you have added in your app. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button and share button, and if you're getting any problem, then just click on the comment box and comment your problem. I will respond you as well as possible. Thank you for watching.